Hello, my name is David Strickland, and I'm going to be the instructor for this course, which is going to be a course designed to help you become successful on the Science and Social Studies High School Equivalency Test. The course goes Monday through Thursday in person from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We cover 2 days of science and 2 days of social studies. We also have courses offered in the evening from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. for those who cannot make it during the daytime. In addition to that, we have a link for an online Google Classroom, which will also include the material that is covered in class. So here's a rundown of how the class works. What we got is a multi-level course where we go over all the material that you will need to be successful on these tests. So for example, with social studies, we'll cover all of we can on civics and government, trying to develop a deeper understanding, much like we'll do with U.S. history, economics. Then when it comes to science, we'll be going over life science, physical science, chemistry, but don't let that scare you, okay? This will be all made, it'll be made clearer as you do the class. The class will also include quizzes, and it will be self-paced. So if you want to go ahead and move ahead on your own, you can do that. Lastly, the instructor will always be available online and will be posting videos of lessons that you can access even if you are unable to view it when it is live. So that is how the class will work. My email address, if you have any questions, is bbstrickland204@nashcc.edu. Thank you.